Когда водила протянул аукс, все мои волки делают ау.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Ali bin Muhammad Nasir and my matric number is B0922101157. And today I will explain to you the overview for our product. This is a mop with UV light and water spray. It's a cleaning device that combines the cleaning power and UV light with scrubbing power of water spray. The UV light is used to kill germs and bacteria on the floor, while the water spray is used to scrub away dirt and grime. The device typically includes a water tank for holding cleaning solution and a UV light source that is located near the cleaning head. The user can control the amount of water and UV light that is applied to the surface being cleaned. This type of cleaning device can be useful in a variety of settings, including homes, business and healthcare facilities. That's all. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zubri Haikal bin Muhammad Zubir. My matric number is B0922101137. Today I want to explain about function of the product. Z3MD mop would likely be a type of cleaning tool that use ultraviolet light and a spray of water to clean and disinfect surface. The UV light would likely be used to kill germs and bacteria, while the water spray would help to remove dirt and debris from the surface being cleaned. This type of mop would be useful for cleaning and disinfecting hard surface in areas where germs and bacteria are concerned, such as hospital, school and other public space. Thank you. That's all.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Akizaukan bin Muhammad Zimani and my matric number is B0922102243. Now I will tell about historical development about mop. The history of the mop can be tracked back to ancient civilization, where various forms of mops were used for cleaning floors, such as a rag, plate, piece of bread, sponge, twig or straw. The modern version of the mop as we know it today started to develop in 19th century with the invention of mop made of yarn and machine woven yarn, which were more durable and efficient than the handmade mop. In the early 20th century, the string mop was invented by a janitor named Thomas William Stewart, which revolutionized cleaning industry and is still widely used today. In the last decades, the mops industry has evolved with the introduction of new materials like microfiber, new design and new technologies such as self-wringing mop, flat mop and steam mops. All this innovation and development aim to improve the efficiency and ease of use of the mop. Okay, thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Mirza bin Awi. My matric number is B0922101139. Today I will explain chapter 2, which is design process. In this chapter, what we make is make the survey, and we give 10 questionnaire to our respondent or the customer. And then we make the HOQ, which is called the House of Quality Function Deployment. After that, what we make is the product design specification to our product about the measurement and dimension. And then after that, we make the morphological chart to our product. Finally, what we make is the concept design sketching of our product.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Z3MD. My material number is B09221034A. So today I would like to share about conclusion to our project. That is Z3MD MOOC. So for us, this project gave us a great opportunity to design and book a MOOC using a scope and method and tool. So our group start by choosing the best material for our project after studying various mock design. So we learned from our research that the classic mopping method was ineffective at eliminating germ. So our team came up with the idea to develop a Z3MD mock that will be more efficient and add a fresh level of innovation to the project to solve this problem. So in making this project, we face several challenges, but we are able to overcome them by making adjustment to our design. So our group would like to extend our gratitude to our lecturer and everyone else who helped us with the project. We believe that this project has a lot of potential for future development and are excited to take it to the next level. So that's all from me. Thank you.